Here we are at Fairfield level crossing in Sydney with the Searle family 123. Time now is 9:22 AM on Thursday the 5th of October 2023. This crossing has Western Cullen Hayes electronic bells and UGL LED lights. Should be going off any second now. So should be going off any second now. Got a Waratah coming in. Cheers, driver. A4. A4 for City Circle via Granville. Here we are at Fairfield level crossing in Sydney with the Searle family 123. Time now is 9:25 AM on Thursday the 5th of October 2023. Here it comes. This is the next one. Cheers, driver. B9. B9 for Leppington. Here we are at Fairfield level crossing in Sydney with the Searle family 123. Time is now 9:29 AM on Thursday the 5th of October 2023. Here it comes. Cheers, driver. What's his number? K73. Oh, another one. K73. K73 and 94. still down. And got an M-set coming in. M3. Cheers, driver. M3 for Blacktown. Hey guys, here are at Fairfield level crossing in Sydney with the Cell Family 123. It's perfect time. Here it comes. M14 for Leppington. And thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.